Hi guys, it's me Misha. Let's prep for the markets. These are my yuan and United States dollar versus rubles, sweethearts. This is a very weird movement. There's no volume at all. Made on Saturday trading session. And I think it will die out for the May. There's a big holidays happening in May. I don't know, the whole thing looks awkward. There is no volume at all. This was on volume spring, so I wouldn't be able to do nothing there anyways, so yeah. That was an entry. That was an entry. Yeah. For now, I missed it. For now, I missed it. This guy too grinds higher, breaking out of this balance. The big volume is above us, below us, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's all gone and done without me. Without me. With or without me. It's gone. Let's take a look at American markets. PMPM. Oh. Intel finally gave us an exhaustion volume on Friday. Boom. Well, yeah, that doesn't look like a correction at all. One would expect some kind of violent movement after this. Yeah. It's kind of, yeah. Yeah, it's just in there, hanging out. J&J. Yeah. I think that might be a mistake. But who knows? Maybe there was no change of directionality. Boom, 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 boom. Look at this. It's kind of hammering, but never going below. No signs of exhaustion volume yet. Boom. The trade I didn't take, but was right into my face. Was right into my face. This level might hold. Okay. So I'm in long position, in a long-term position with this guy. and I'll continue to hold it as long as it holds this monthly level. This volume is not good though. Plug just dies. My poor plug. Roku is coming near. Yeah. This guy's gone without me. Well, I mean, I'm still in the trade from here, but missed my chance to re-enter here. It is what it is. It is what it is. Officially changed the directionality here. Yeah, that was a test. That was a test. Okay, so this is one of the situations when the hourly levels don't make much sense because we have a daily level in our face. They could be. I would trade in continuation of the trend here. If it gives a good entry point. So let's keep on watching this guy. This was good. Oh. Yeah. The problem here is that this is not the biggest volume. The extremum is formed by 2 bars, so the biggest volume is still within the extremum, but it's like super duper weird that with the lower volume the next day it went lower. This is super weird. The rest is kind of cool. The rest is kind of cool. It's a daily watch though. Oof, oof, oof. It's getting there. It's getting there. Still biggest volume above, which is no bueno. Like this volume, this volume. The volume distribution is short. These volumes. So yeah, officially changed directionality. And also officially this was the test level. To which you can buy. However, I think it will come here in an hour. Yeah, I could have bought from here. Could have bought from here. And it didn't go. And now once again there is a level. So hourly doesn't make sense no more after this. I want to say let's watch it on hourly. volume distribution though. Look at this. It's here. And the entire wave. Yeah. No, it definitely needs to come here. Definitely needs to come there. Now volume. Pfizer. Well, well, test. So high after the test. Yeah, this was a spring. This was a spring. It was a beautiful volume, but this went lower on a lesser volume, so we would need a test anyways, and this is like too high to enter. And daily looks kind of bizarre, and we want to see bigger volume here, so yeah, it's a counter trend anyways. Let's keep on watching it. Verizon pretends that it wants to resurrect, but like, look at this tail. Well, let's see what it does tomorrow. Ooh, you want to re-enter? Please, it's all yours. It's back to this volume level. Can it go here? It can. Will it? No, I don't think so. This is correction to 0.5. Clear, beautiful correction to 0.5. It didn't hold though, it changed directionality, which is always super duper alarming. 1, 2, 1, 2. Because you don't want to see the change of directionality when it corrects to 0.5. You want to see like a weak correction. And this kind of indicates like some strength. However, it does it habitually, like changing directionality in the very, very end. And someone can argue that's not it. Yeah, I mean, let's keep an eye on it. Just came to this level. Let's keep an eye on it. It's 0.5 correction. Strength and weakness. Same deal. or like in a bigger scale, all this deal here. Can be good for an hourly trade. For a swing, PB on. This didn't hold. And it's also arguable if this is a level at all. But regardless, it just dropped. Just didn't hold and dropped below 0.5 and showed the first sign of the change of directionality. There was a level, right? So this was a level that we didn't take. I didn't take. Maybe you guys did. Let me know if you did. This guy. Pum, 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 pum. Well, super technically, it is this now. So let's see what happened there first. Boom. This doesn't look good, right? Just doesn't look good. Someone just dumped British American tobacco. It's interesting. It's really interesting. I like, as the rule of thumb, stay away from these like jerky moves, because I mean, someone does something on British American tobacco that I cannot understand or decipher. So never mind this volume. Nothing of this makes any sense no more. We just have this. That's weird. That was a weird move. That doesn't look like an exhaustion volume at all, right? We want to see something like this, but we get this instead. Nothing like an exhaustion volume. This guy goes higher. TD goes higher. Oh, look at this volume. This is sexy. Gold. Maybe this was the level actually. Maybe this was the panic. And now it has the level here. But boom. Why am I watching it on daily? Should put it to a monthly watch. It's gone. This is definitely trying to hold this level. But doesn't look much like it on daily. This volume is up here now. This volume is here now. So yeah, it looks like opposite of. I kind of tested most of it, but regardless, this volume is up there. Apple came to this volume level again and acts. Gosh, Pepsi. HSBC is almost there. I chickened out too early. Could have collected my extra gem. We all are very smart in a hindsight. Okay, that's all I've got. That's all I've got. Why am I even watching it on monthly? Just to go like all the way down there. It's not even a monthly watch. Oops, my trains. Also like this, why am I watching it monthly? Lockheed Martin, same deal. Why do I watch it even? It's all... Why do these trains have to be so loud in the night? I understand they like signaling to avoid Vodafone. I don't need Vodafone. McDonald's. Is WDC? You see? Now it starts making sense. It gives the big, but still. It can go from here. Exhaustion volume. Spring. Test. Yeah. Aggressive. Trend trade. And sure enough, you can keep it at least 2.5. Perfect spring. Test. Entry. Oh, it's the biggest volume now. It's good for entry. Still have this volume, and I mean the whole thing is unless it's some 35 bit. Oh, okay. Dividends is great. I don't know. I don't see the free flow. But yeah, I'll like. That was an enter today. It's good to go. Good to go. Just needed a test here. Here's the test. That was an entry. So so and that was, yeah, that was pretty much by the book. It was 0.5 as well, of course. This is beautiful. We wouldn't be able to enter from here, or would we? Yeah, no, it didn't. So it's actually into this volume now. Yeah, everything looks great. Looked great. That's what we have for tomorrow. This guy, and this guy. If it goes anywhere near here tomorrow, it's a good entry. Maybe I wouldn't like hold it like this, you know? But why not? Why not play it like this? To 0.5. To 0.5 of this movement. Okay, this was ambitious. So, like this. I think that's a go. It can fly tomorrow, but if it doesn't, I can try limit order. Because it's good just of the daily. Yeah, minutes look ugly. I hope it's politically correct to say ugly about chart. No offense meant. Sorry, chart. Kind of looks like exhaustion. See this volume distribution? Like, this is absolutely on volume though. That's the last volume of the hour. Oh, that's what I didn't reason it. So this biggest volume is not. No. I think it's good and I can set up a limit order. This is so heavy here though. This is so heavy. Yeah, but yeah, it resprings. That makes sense. And we have, how many days we have? It will add some volume. Oh, we have one more day left. Ooh, tomorrow is gonna be a massacre. But with this volume came in, like, come on. Come on, Misha. Yeah, I think I can set up a limit order for this guy. Technically we have this volume, but practically and even on daily the volume distribution is good. So when we work out the daily, we don't care. Yeah, this is good. The little detail here is also that it tried to bounce here. Don't know, guys. Don't know. And this doesn't look like our base model. So worst come worst, we're talking about this. Which is not gonna be a pleasant experience if it happens. We can forget about all this with this volume. Yeah, the problem is on monthly we don't have a base volume, strength, weakness, because I mean the volume is otherwise. This is like a bigger volume. This guy here. Dun, dun, dun. I think it will go. I think it will go. Some volumes here. With this kind of volume, it should go. We can wait for the, and like in June, I think June is not indicative because that's where the volume began all of a sudden, and we don't know why. Just like a bunch of volume came in. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, and the problem here, there's no base model on monthly. I think I'm gonna let it go because, yeah, I'll have to let it go. There is no base model on monthly. So we're left with this guy and this guy. Okay, that's all I have for tomorrow. Yeah, I will be watching these guys. No volume, no volume. Like, and I say dollar looks good. looks super good here. It's kind of like, we'll see. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let you go. See you tomorrow.